Quality is very, very good.
This for 4 people, you know.
Yeah.
तुम भी ले लो थोड़ा सा.
Yes, sir.
I wish no.
Or you know chicken, right?
No, I'm vegetarian. Can I ask more?
From yesterday, I am telling to Ashna, like, you know, you guys are coming, like,
Oh.
yeah. She know all the stories. I told her
Okay.
everything. These trucks are very good, bro. Like, one day my car was sorry, they give me a car like this, the big one.
Oh, the red car, right?
Toyota. Tacoma. It was crazy, bro. Yeah, only the parking little bit we had to be careful. That's it. Otherwise, very good. Like, we are driving like a truck, like, you know. We are in the on top of a mountain like that. It's very good.
Is it good?
It's very good.
Driving experience?
Driving experience is crazy. The mileage was only 18, 19, but driving a space. Same like how you feeling the like this one, Mustang for YouTube.
Or for YouTube in the landscape.
Yeah. So same like driving in Mustang is different. You also feel the change, right? Normal car is Mustang is different, right?
It is just Mustang just has power.
Mustang is power, bro. Like,
Just power.
when you cross the door, you can feel the power, you know, like check, like the sound.
Mustang is just power.
How many times you fill the gas that day? Like 4 times, right?
3 times.
Then
Yes.
with
Mustang just gives like 17, 18.
this car we can afford it. Only one time gives enough. Like.
One time.
Yeah.
When you do a full tank, how much can you drive? How many miles?
Literally, see, now it's 485. I just put full tank in the morning. It's
Around 500.
one full tank is like you can drive 500 easily.
And how much?
525, 530 like that.
How much do you pay when you do a full tank?
Here is like $30. $30 full tank.
What's your tank size?
11.
11. Yeah,
11,
same,
yes.
same with me. My car goes about like 400.
Your tank is 11 or 16? 16, right? Maybe. Lexus.
I'm not sure, but
Okay.
maybe like 12 or 13. Not 16. Not 16.
Okay. Lexus is very good, bro. I see my friend, he got the Lexus actually. So I drive his car. When he bought it, he gave me his car for just test drive, like for feeling. So I just ride the car. I love it. I like the car actually. It's a 2-seat, right? It's 2-seat. Yeah.
Maybe he got it RC.
He got a old one.
Oh, RC.
Like accident car.
Oh.
Accident car, you know, they repair and everything. Yeah. See, yeah. But it's value for money, bro. Like, you know, the value also, the depreciation will not too much. Like,
It's not too much for me.
Lexus have a resale value.
Yep.
No, this is highway, right? It's bigger.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
How long you are here? Like, yes,
3 years maybe.
Oh, 5 years.
5 years, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
No, in Houston.
In Houston, yeah, pretty much like 1.5 years.
That's it, right? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So that time you driving here or?
Yeah, so initially I was just using Uber and friends
Okay.
used to drop, and then
Yeah.
later
Everybody
I got the driving license. I was like really in need.
Okay.
Does it has a Apple Play as well?
Oh yeah. When you guys planning to India?
Yeah, maybe New Year.
Okay.
New Year.
Oh, yeah.
We were just in India.
Okay. Like what thing is in India but from anywhere, right? Like work
But
from, right?
she cannot work from India.
Uh-huh. How many days you are in Mexico? Like maybe 1
8
week?
days, 7
8
nights.
days.
Okay.
8 days, 7 nights.
Okay.